Imagine two massive spiral galaxies, each with billions of stars caught in a gravitational embrace, zooming towards each other in a cosmic collision. Now, what if I told you that this celestial encounter could reveal secrets about the future of our own galaxy? And that thanks to the Hubble and James Webb Space Telescopes, we are witnessing this in an unprecedented details. This is the Universe Factory, and today we are diving into the intergalactic drama of two merging galaxies. Stick around as we unravel the science behind their collision and what it means for us right here in the Milky Way. Before we begin, quickly subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Find us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned down in the description. Make sure to check out. The two galaxies that we are talking about are NGC 2207 and IC 2163. These are no ordinary galaxies. Their flyby interaction, a close encounter without fully merging, has transformed them both. These colliding spiral galaxies are about 80 million light years away in the constellation of Canis Major. Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Space Telescope reveal how their powerful gravitational forces pull on each other's stars, gas and dust. The larger spiral NGC 2207 is classified as an intermediate spiral galaxy exhibiting a weak inner ring structure around the central bar. The smaller companion spiral IC 2163 is classified as a barred spiral galaxy that also exhibits a weak inner ring and an elongated spiral arm that is likely being stretched by the tidal forces with the larger companion. Both the galaxies contain a vast amount of dust and gas and are beginning to exhibit enhanced rates of star formation as seen in the infrared images. These tidal forces create spectacular structures, as if IC 2163's eye-shaped waves, visible even across millions of light years away. This cosmic tug-of-war drives intense star formation, leaving clues about how galaxies evolve over time. Now, what makes these galaxies more interesting and splendid is the blend of the data of two mighty telescopes. Thanks to Hubble, we see vibrant details in these galaxies. Its visible light view highlights the star clusters and intricate dust lanes, showing us the areas where the young hot stars burn the brightest. In the Hubble's image, those glowing blue regions are newborn star clusters, born as gas compresses during the collision. Observing these stars helps astronomers understand the galactic evolution and star formation triggered by the interactions. But this is where it gets even more exciting. With JWST's infrared capabilities, we get an entirely new perspective. Infrared light can pierce through the dense clouds of gas and dust that Hubble cannot, and revealing young, cooler stars and regions rich in molecular gas. JWST allows us to see the parts of these galaxies that were hidden before, like infrared hotspots where stars are still forming. This insight gives astronomers a fuller picture of how galactic collisions fuel the star birth. JWST's mid-infrared camera shows stunning process of star formation happening currently. On the other hand, Hubble's visible and UV images show young stars that are born recently. Just notice the striking blue star clusters scattered in this image taken by Hubble. This is the region of the galaxy where star formation rate is tremendously high. This view from the JWST shows eerie red glow around these stars, illuminating the dusty region that covers these stars. If we combine these images, it gives us very beautiful picture of galaxies that are wrapped in breathtaking luminous shell of dust. These galaxies have star formation rate that is 5 to 10 times more than that of our Milky Way. NGC 2207 is in the process of colliding and merging with IC 2163. But unlike the Antennae or Mice galaxies, they are still two separate spiral galaxies. They are only in the first step of colliding and merging, with NGC 2207 being in the process of tidally stripping IC 2163. So what is next for these galaxies? Their story hints at a fascinating possibility. They may one day merge into a single larger galaxy. This type of interaction is more common than you might think, and our own Milky Way has a similar fate. Soon they will collide, probably looking a bit more like the mice galaxies. In about 1 billion years of time, they are expected to merge and become an elliptical or perhaps a disk galaxy. Thanks to Hubble and JWST, we are witnessing galactic evolution in real time, getting clues about our universe's past, present, and the future. Want to see more cosmic wonders? Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't want to miss our next journey into the unknown. Like and share this video if you got to learn something new today. Drop a comment with your thoughts on this galactic collision. Do you think life could survive such a massive event? Let's talk space science below in the comment section. Meanwhile, watch these videos in the suggestion. Join us next time as we explore the incredible power of supermassive black holes at the heart of the galaxies and their role in the shaping our universes. Until then, keep looking up.